More COVID cases and deaths in the US forecasted. Daily hospital admissions due to COVID 19 have increased, and the trend will continue for the next 4 weeks, it is predicted. Number of COVID patients will be on a rise in almost every US state. Pandemic related deaths also are expected to increase in coming days. Models show that 5,300 deaths will occur in 2 weeks. Those residing in states California, New York, Georgia, and Florida are going to suffer more. Every day, an average of 94,000 persons are getting affected. The number of patients hospitalized now remains high. 24,300 COVID patients are receiving care in hospitals, and this is the highest number for the last 2 months. The US administration has confirmed the spread of COVID 19. According to the health authorities, Omicron subvariants are spreading across the country fast. President Joe Biden's coronavirus response coordinator, Dr. Ashish Jha, acknowledged that the US is currently seeing a lot of infections. But the official figures don't reflect the actual situation. Actual number of patients is more than the number released by officials. Dr. Ashish Jha explains like this. We know that the number of infections is actually substantially higher than that. It's hard to know exactly how many, but we do know that a lot of people are getting diagnosed using home tests. We have got a plan for a range of scenarios. We have to plan for a scenario where we don't get any more resources from the Congress. I think it would be terrible. I think we'd see a lot of unnecessary loss of life if that were to happen. But we're looking at all the scenarios and planning for all of them. There's a common question among Americans. They ask whether the COVID regulations would be brought back to curb the spread. If so, wearing masks and keeping social distance may become compulsory again. Free movement may be restricted. Will it be something like a second lockdown, and how it's going to affect the economy that is already in a bad condition?